Welcome back to Learning Hockey with Jude Felix Sebastian, Olympian, former Indian national team captain, and Arjuna and Dronacharya Awardee. In case you missed the previous episode on forehand tackle, we'd recommend watching that first before continuing.
Hi guys, it's good to have you back to our new episode where we're going to learn tackling on the reverse hand, or the reverse tackle as you would call it. I have with me Malik, who's going to demonstrate for us, as well as Dipinder too, who would be helping us to solve and show you how to do the reverse tackle. Okay, some of the things that's very important again with the reverse tackle is to have you holding the handle of the stick right on top, and at a certain time when you're tackling, the grip on your stick on your left hand changes, as you would see here how it changes. And a clue is that my knuckles on my left hand is facing this way, and the moment I go to tackle on my reverse, the knuckle faces the back of me. So that's a clue. So now I've got a perfect way to tackle from the reverse side. We will have the two of them show you how to do it, but a few things before that. The posture. We come to the posture where you see again he's nicely positioned, body bent from the upper body bent from the back. The left foot is nicely placed in front, good balance, and his eye is on the ball, and of course his stick is ready to go and tackle. Okay, so that's the posture as you can see it. Okay. Now the grip of the stick, as I just mentioned to you, I will show it to you from another angle. Okay, now that's the grip of the stick where the left hand is right on top of the handle. Okay, that's the tackling grip. Let's go back to the initial one. You are like this. Okay, this is the initial position as you see it. The moment you need to tackle is when the grip on the left hand changes, or the left wrist changes. But this is done as you go for the tackle. It's very discreet. As you go for the tackle, it changes. Or rather, if you can watch, the stick rolls in my hand. It rolls in my hand and changes. That's what you're going to see now. Ready? Go. Yeah, go back. Okay. Can we have some demonstrations where we can just go on showing the tackle, please? Stationary. Up. Up. And if you notice, as he tackles, he tries to pull the ball back towards him. He tries to hook the ball back towards him. He tries to hook the ball back towards him. Can you see that? Well done. Okay. Can we shuffle and tackle now? We're going to do the shuffle and tackle. Ready? Go. Shuffle, tackle, and get the ball. That's it. Reach for the ball, Dipinder, reach for the ball. Reach for the ball. Tackle, throw your stick, tackle. Throw your stick and tackle and reach for the ball. Reach and pull, yeah. So that's another way of tackle and recovering the ball from your forehand. Okay, so we're going to do a quick exercise for you. It's a very simple exercise which these guys will set up now, and we'll watch them tackle on the reverse. So the attacker's objective is to try and run through those two cones where the defender goes to tackle from here. Let's go. Ready? Go. One more time. Okay, so that's the reverse tackle for you. I'm sure you've picked up some of the points on that. Do like and share the videos, and of course do subscribe also to our channel, and I would love to see you guys picking up all these skills. Until my next episode, bye for now.